today we are going to do the recapitulation of the Reader chapter 3, The Girl Who Knew Everything. There was the teacher, Miss Jennifer Honey, Matilda, then Nigel, Lavender, and there were many other students in this story. The story is actually revolving around the curiosity of Miss Jennifer Honey, the teacher, to know more about a small little girl called Matilda. Matilda was very intelligent. She could do sums very fast. She had read all the books in the local library. She was very intelligent and very sharp. She knew many spellings. She could read sentences, and more intelligent than what her age children were. Right? So Miss Jennifer, first day of the school, when she enters the class, her focus is only on Matilda, and she wants to know more about Matilda and her intelligence. So she asks the children to stop doing the sums, and she asks them that we are going to do some spellings. In this process, she asks the spelling of the word cat, which she expects many will answer, and at that time 3 children raised their hands: Matilda, Nigel and Lavender. They 3 raised their hands and they answered attempted the question. Then she switched from the spellings to sentences, and she wrote a very difficult sentence on the board, and nobody else could read it. But the teacher's attention was all on Matilda, because she knew she could read it, and Matilda with ease she read it. And then she shared with her teacher that I can read difficult sentences, but I may not understand the meaning, because she was not so big enough to understand the meanings. Then the teacher talked about limericks which are short poems, 5-line short poems. And then she talked about a humorous limerick. Then she read it, and then she asked even Matilda a little difficult question, or you can say she wanted to know more, that if Matilda could write a limerick. That time, to her surprise, to the teacher's surprise, Matilda told her, yes ma'am, I have in fact written a witty limerick about you. And the teacher was very surprised, and she even asked her that, how do you know my first name? And that time Matilda was asked to read it in front of the class. But Matilda was very nervous. She was not at all excited. The children, whenever you are going to do the revision, remember, like always I tell you, you divide your work in such a way that first you read the chapter many times, and then you know the important characters in the story, important places that are mentioned in the story, important things that are mentioned in the story. Then also you should know what was the sequence of events in the story. That means what happened first, then next, and this way. You should know the sequence of events, and at the same time go through the dialogues given in the story. Who said to whom? You should know this dialogue this person has said, and he has said to this person, or why he or she has said that dialogue. Few dialogues are given in the book. We can just just quickly do a recapitulation. Like if I read, how much can you read? So if I ask you who said this, we all know the teacher, Miss Jennifer Honey, said this. And she said to whom? Did she say it to Matilda or Lavender or to Nigel? She said it to Matilda. So this we should know, that this dialogue was said by whom and to whom. Then that's too hard. Who said this and to whom? This Nigel has said to the teacher, when the teacher asked Nigel to read the sentence that she had written on the board. So what was the event when she said? It was Nigel said this dialogue when the teacher asked him to read a difficult sentence that was written on the board. Then, can any one of you read the whole sentence? Who said this? This ma'am, that is the teacher, Jennifer Honey, had asked to the class, to the whole class. She had addressed it to the whole class. So these are few dialogues. Then you should know the word meanings, difficult spellings also. And when I say word meanings, children, do not mug up the word and the meaning. You should know in the two-way process. When I say two-way process, it means that you should know the word and the meaning. You should, if I give you a meaning, you should be able to write what is one word for that meaning, right? And even difficult spellings, we have been doing it in the class every time we do the reader chapter. This is about your revision, The Girl Who Knew Everything. All the best.